version. Off you go. Go on. Do it. Just do it.
Oh.
Go on. I missed it. Do it again.
I missed it.
Stop swearing on the camera.
Sorry. That's really warm actually. I'm going.
It's not as bad as you think once you get in. Has anybody got a spare pair of nuts they don't want?
Yeah, me.
Well, they're not spare, but they're kind of sort of useless. You know where's the bottom?
Right, it's got a straight down. Be careful.
Get in that gap. I'll tell you what, that clears your headache. Never mind, I'll be broken you.
Yeah. Stop swearing.
Sorry, are you videoing?
Yeah.
You know that dizzy pop on the bottom of my head?
It's gone now.
Put it right now. Get in. The toes have gone numb. Oh, Jesus. I wouldn't worry about it, Barry, to be fair. Oh, come on, England!
Go on!
Head in! The bash the rocks! Oh, miss him then?
Yeah!
Better not get it first time. He's videoing. Your hair!
People look at some video and go, what's up with them then?
Come on, Nick, in you get fucking water! I've got to get out of this water, my toes have gone numb.
Are you going in?
I'll do my head under.
Go on then.
Next! And pause it.
No.
I remember it. Hey, tar down. Fucking shirt's heavy.
Will you all?
Will I remember?
Oh no, I've got a full card.
Oh, come on, Nick, it jump.
You fucking
Sure, isn't it? That's what you only do first thing in the morning.
got to be that way.
Hope these are coming out alright.
I've just been videoing the whole time.
Oh, right.
You can put it on screws on tour.
It'll be on YouTube in a bit.
They're all about fucking.
Fucking. Yeah, what's still going?
Strike for it.
Oh, flip flop! How far's that going to go? His flip flop's gone off.
Flip flop, Dave, go after the split flop.
Oh, Nick, you're out of it. Which one is it? It'll get wedged somewhere.